My name is Taylor Strickland, and I earned my business administration degree from Southern New Hampshire University. Atlanta is our capital, but my husband and I own a welding business in Braselton, Georgia. I couldn't imagine living anywhere else. It's beautiful, it's small town, it's nice people. I have 2 kids. We have JT, who is 7, and June, who is 4. I chose business administration because it was offered 100% online. Being a mother, being a business owner, I needed an option that I could get my degree online without having to attend in-person classes and not spend 10 hours in a classroom a week. It was just not obtainable for me. The admission process was so easy, I barely even remember it because it was so simple. Everyone was so helpful. They took all of my prior credits when other college and universities would only take half. Southern New Hampshire took all of them. It was very easy to transfer. I saved about 2 years getting my degree, and I saved about half of what the tuition would have been. So I was a little nervous, but from the very first day of class, it was just second nature as far as completing assignments online and navigating everything. It's really so simple. I really enjoyed my professional selling class. I could tell that my instructors had experience in the field that they were teaching me, and that's been pretty invaluable in my own business. Because now I don't look at it as I'm trying to sell anything to a customer. I'm trying to solve a problem for them. I really did enjoy the discussion boards because they prompted me to not only look into my own topics, but then I needed to explore my classmates' topics as well. So I feel like the information that I learned tripled what I normally would because I'm engaging with other classmates and they're giving me information. I'm getting all these other resources and references from 20 plus classmates, and I think that's just invaluable that you can't really get anywhere else. Being able to relate to somebody, even though you've never met them, in that online community with SNHU, and the professors are really good at nourishing that as well and in encouraging that community amongst the online students. When I finished my final assignment, it felt surreal to me. Being a first-generation graduate and having my kids there and looking back and them just waving and smiling and looking forward to the future, they can say that, well, my mama did it, and so I can do it too. I hope that it will show how much I love them to get this degree, not just for me, but for them, and doing it while raising them has been really special. It's been a bonding experience. To be sitting on the couch, working on schoolwork while snuggling the kids. I just hope it just shows them that no matter what happens, no matter how old they get, they can always go back to school.
I'm so very proud of her, and I'm so happy that we get to experience this. She deserves all of it.
What's next for me is endless. There's endless possibilities of what I can do now. I can go for a master's degree. I can go for a law degree if I wanted, because I've got that bachelor's degree to push me forward. My ultimate goal is I would love to have my own plant shop and run my own plant business, as well as continuing to run our welding company as well, just because it's the heart and soul of our family and it has been for 7 years. Yeah, the biggest thing is I don't think anyone will ever say that the right time is now, especially when you are a wife or a mother. You just kind of have to take the leap of faith, just work hard at it and decide that that's something that I want to do for me. If you don't do it for anybody else, you do it for you.
She's an amazing woman. She is so passionate, so determined. She's a force to be reckoned with. She is.
Now that I have my degree with Southern New Hampshire University, I am brave and I am proud and I am stronger than I ever was before. All you have to do is get started.